Data handling. Topics cover data, reading interpretation of a pictograph, representation of data by a bar graph, tally marks. Data. Numerical information in number or numbers is called data. For example, how many students come to school using each of different kinds of vehicles amounts to data. Representation of data. Pictograph. Data can be represented in words, symbols, and pictures. When we represent data in the form of pictures, it is called a pictograph. Example 1. Number of Tom's friends who like to play different sports is given below. Name of the sport: cricket, football, hockey, badminton, tennis. Number of friends: in cricket 6, in football 4, in hockey 3, in badminton 2, in tennis 2. Represent the above data through pictorial symbols using faces. So the solution: name of the game, number of friends. One smiley is equal to one person. So in cricket, draw 6 smileys. In football, 4 smileys. In hockey, 3 smileys. In badminton, 2 smileys. And in tennis, 2 smileys. So this is how we represent pictorially. Tally marks. It helps show or compare the information at a glance. We use pictograph to represent data with small numbers. For large numbers, it is not possible to draw so many pictures. Thus, we draw tally marks to represent such numbers. Tally marks are vertical lines. We draw one vertical line for one observation. After 4 lines for the 5th observation, we draw a line crossing the 4 vertical lines. Example 2. Mary asked her friends the name of the fruit they like to eat. They expressed their choices as follows: pineapple, banana, pineapple, pineapple, mango, mango, banana, apple, banana, apple, apple, banana, apple, banana, mango, apple, apple, pineapple, mango, banana, pineapple, mango, apple, papaya, apple, mango, mango, papaya, banana, papaya. Classify the choices with the help of tally marks. Also answer the questions that follow. Which of the fruits is the most liked? Which of the fruits is the least liked? Which 2 fruits are equally liked? How many friends like pineapple? So solution. Let us write all the fruits on one side: apple, mango, papaya, banana, pineapple. Now let us draw the tally marks. Apples 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th line you cross it. And then again 1, 2, 3. So the total count is 8. For the mango it is 7. Papaya 3. Banana 7. Pineapple 5. So the answers to the questions given above: apple is the most liked fruit. Papaya is the least liked fruit. Mango and banana are equally liked. 5 friends like pineapple. Reading interpretation of a pictograph. The given pictograph shows the number of girls who are fond of different fairy tales. So Little Red Riding Hood, you have 9 images. Pinocchio, 5 images. Thumbelina, 7 images. Cinderella, 6 images. Hansel and Gretel, 3. Read the above pictograph and answer the following questions. Which fairy tale is the most read? So the fairy tale Little Red Riding Hood is the most read. Which fairy tale is the least read? The fairy tale Hansel and Gretel is the least read. How many girls like to read Thumbelina? 7 girls like to read Thumbelina. Representation of data by a bar graph. Data can be represented by different lengths of bars to express or compare the information at a glance. For example, 1 centimeter for one person, 2 centimeter for two persons, etc. Example: the number of girl students in classes 1 to 5 of Little Angel School are as follows: Class 1 25 students, Class 2 20, Class 3 20, Class 4 15, Class 5 10. Represent this data by a bar graph. We show the classes on x-axis, horizontal line, and the number of students on y-axis, vertical line. We show 1 unit of height to represent 5 students. So on the y-axis, we have marked 0, 5, 10, 15, 25. And on the x-axis, we have written class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, class 5. And the height is 25 divided by 5, which is equal to 5. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. And 10 divided by 5 is 2 units. So we have represented and converted the data to units and have represented them on this graph. HOTS. Students, as a part of environmental activity, rope some plants in the school park. The number of plants roped in a week is shown here. Represent the data by a pictograph. Days and the number of plants on Monday are 10, on Tuesday 7, on Wednesday 5, on Thursday 8, and on Friday there are 6. The given pictograph shows the number of plants is shown here. Values and life skills. Draw a bar graph for the given data. Sport liked and the number of children. Cricket 7 liked. Kabaddi 4. Volleyball 3. Tennis 5. What is the significance of playing sports regularly for children? Bar graphs of playing sports regularly for children.